Corporal, take him, make him go sit down in butt over there and cool off.
Officer Alveranga, him come and tap me and I'm not doing nothing, you know. Imagine, after I mash up a restaurant him come on my yard and trying to kill me.
Really? So, how him know where to find you? And better than that, why is he trying to kill you? And Miss Beatrice, be very careful how you answer that question.
Him say them just release him from jail for him did to my restaurant. And him say him not gonna stop till him kill me. Wow, not gonna make him kill me.
And if I ask him this question, what do you think he's going to say? Una playing a very dangerous game, you know. Now, Mr. Wedderburn, we really need to stop meeting like this. Now, what is your version of the story?
Version? That wife of Satan over there, she tried to frame me and then have the nerve to laugh in my face. Look at me. I reek of prison. I hate her bloody guts.
Watch your mouth. So let me see if I get this straight. You left the station and came straight here and proceeded to threaten and then attack Miss Beatrice? What exactly were you thinking?
No, I went home first, then to the restaurant, and then I figured the only other place should be was here. Officer, she made me go to jail. Look at me. She did this to me.
So this was premeditated then, Mr. Wedderburn. That cut over your eye, is that the only injury you have?
Well, she hit me in my mouth. Had it not been for the people holding her back, I'd have more damages, I tell you. Broken bones and all.
Him chuck off on me and threaten me. You never see. You saw me as an officer, him threaten me now. Him want to talk about him, I'm going to burn down my house.
You liar, you dirty liar. You wrecked your own place, wet me up, caused bodily harm. You see my face? No more, I tell you. I hate your stinking guts.
So what you gonna do about it, Frozy Wedderburn? Eh? Imagine, you tell lie upon me, I'm a peer you for. And then you come start me and you want to come fight me. Hey, you know hear about me. You're lucky, somebody about
Now, let me see if I get this straight. You mash up your own restaurant. And you come here to fight her? I'm sick of this. The two of them go downtown right now. Because if you don't learn a lesson, you might just kill one another one day.
Hold on, Alveranga.
I'm Mummy I talk about, you know. Now, you know where the burn stay already.
Sorry, Hemsley. But you know, sister, I don't have no choice.
Oh, man.
I don't have no choice. Come.
No, I'm not going to prison. You know when them to get to prison, me not right.
And it's you say you change.
No, me can't go to jail. I can't sleep on bunk bed. The gun too cool. I'm not empty the peel.
You're going to stop fighting me, you know? You're going to stop. Move over. Hold this.
Me not sit up beside and close the man.
Like you was, hey, yo, stop. In there, now. Move your hand. Hype. If you know where good for you, drive Ben. Circle down Ben there. Thank you.
Action started. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house, a car. Me the girls them honey, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
punch me in my eye, yeah?
I should have punched you in your mouth because I feel like you're there tell Pam.
Oi. Me sick of one now. No stop it, no man.
But officer, you know say I tell Pam. You know say my son here, the man come assault me. Tear up all my clothes. Look how me come here.
Oi.
Hey!
Go stand up over there, sir.
Over there, sir.
Jesus, me sick of one now.
But officer, you really believe him? You must take me afraid of you and I pussy you.
Enough. You have a right to remain silent, you know. And you say if you don't exercise that right, I will do it for you. Alright? Where you go? Where you go? Go down! Mister, go down! Down! Corporal Bass, me and you go discuss procedure a little later here.
Yes, so you want back up now? Go in there, son, shut down.
Hold on! So when you push myself, officer, it's what happened? It's woman strength you have. You know, say I bet you $1 million say you beat your woman. You try to remember say a woman bring you come here. Remember that.
No man, I dash him father dash him when I call him and him escape.
Escape condemn me.
Wow, fresh meat. My place this, and any new girl, Afi carry the piss bucket. So make yourself be known, new girl.
Hold on a little bit. I mean, I talk to you.
Oh, you mean who else? Uptown Mummy?
Hey, girl. Hold on. You know me? I'm my name Beatrice called Dora. Born and grow a Seaview garden. Me not empty chimney unless I'm my one.
Bloody hell, man. Girl clown. We got be so pugnacious and aggressive, eh?
Hey boy. Oh, are you?
Yeah, we're there, man.
I'm to your general. Don't tell me say you're on the same woman I war again.
Oh, that same Jezebel, yes? But this time she's in jail too. Now she know not to mess with me, eh?
Yeah.
But wait, how come you here so long?
Boy, you want to see me get bail in a butt? A little boy this me and me accidentally stab him man. He go call the police, I see it, so I'm still there.
Yeah, right. I didn't catch your name, friend.
What you want to catch my name for? It never drop.
I'm just trying to be neighborly, friendly. Hey.
I made them call phone face, you see it?
Ah, all right.
Bass!
Yes, sir.
What going? What? Jesus. Me I come. Look here. Me have an emergency, you see?
Yes, sir.
So I want you hold things down until I come back, alright?
You're gonna need backup soup.
Just do what me tell you if you do, no man. And if me can't come back in time, just call me. Alright.
Yeah. At the point, Instagram.
She alright? What did the doctor say? Talk to me, no man.
You done.
What? What's what them say?
She good, man. She nice, so come show you. Can't bet say I broke every stoplight to a reach fast.
No business.
Yo, we in charge of some. Hello. We in charge of some.
Oi! So much noise on the station, sir. What you want, sir?
I'm a mother, man. I come from mother.
Your
Beatrice.
mother?
Yeah, Beatrice.
Beatrice?
Yeah, Bella.
Shut up your mouth! Prisoner that. Hey, who your favorite Winston, Marga boy, Morris, sir?
My name Morris, yes, but...
Oh, man, freeze!
No.
Morris, I tell you, say Sergeant proud of me, you know. Don't move, you know.
No, yeah, man. Yo,
Come
Hemsley. Yo, my name Hemsley Morris Jr. You understand? Hemsley Morris Jr. And let me show my ID.
Which ID? Hey, boy, go on this. Sure. What is this, Marga boy?
Yeah, police boy. And soon if you're laugh, I'll arrest you know. But me up. Yo, leave me no man. But me up. Yo, what you know about me? Eh? You didn't look like a real policeman. Like
I shut your mouth, man, before me ever come in here and shut you up.
You look like a bait.
Bates. Corporal Richard Bates.
Bait. Me say bait.
A Bates! Officer, I know this Bruce. He's a wanted man, yeah? Him and his mother, criminal them. You murderous set of broke them.
Come out of my face to you, miss.
Yo, man, you have to look up in a phone face, man.
I'm afraid of no phone face. You know how much phone me have on my yard? You talk about phone face. You know my mother? You know hear about me?
Your mother can't save you in this, you don't know that.
You know hear about me, man. I chat.
Mommy, alright. My babies. It's a long time I don't see the two on at one time. Lord, I'm a son, big businessman. I'm a daughter, big girl, big police officer. Mommy, you're that easy, you know. So I'll make you there yourself, mommy. Well, you know, I did feel that, you know, a pain and kill me, you know. So I thought it was gas. So I take a taxi and rush go down to the doctor. And then him push me come here, so.
So what the doctor say happened to you?
Well, him say his kidney stone. But him give me some medicine to flush it out. And you don't know about the flush out, you know. He say it make me feel nice. You just wanna. Take time.
Yo, Bait. I know my rights and I want my phone call. Yo, Bait! You know hear me?
Look here.
I want my phone call.
Hello. I know the line, you know, but you hold on. Hold on. Excuse me, young fellow. Officer, a Corporal Richard Bates, right? Yeah. Could I have my phone call now, please?
Right away, sir. Right away.
Excuse me? Move it. You're in the way.
You are the talk of the town. And every time that I see you, I never get feeling down. Oi!
I want me to you. Yeah, snake.
Never snake for you. Yeah, babe.
It's like when we wake this morning and you me that dream about. This it. Like my dream and see the winning lotto number them. Bam! Yeah! Yo, I just want to use my pencil and just mark up your paper. Till the two of we are just winnings.
First of all, pencil can't help me. Not less than a roll and buckle. And me don't want no man to come mark me up. That simply means they don't know where to put it or what they're doing. Excuse you.
Baby girl, you're number one in the world. You worth more than diamonds and pearls. I want to see you, girl.
Oh, I'm telling little idiot Gardner boy with them 1982 lyrics them. When you gonna drop dead?
Hey, go, wait.
See your phone call there.
Superintendent Alveranga speaking.
Yo, Alveranga.
Hype?
Yo, you look a fool officer down here, what him name? Bates? Yeah, you know him come lock me up and come talk about me need a lawyer and all him something about me I wanted, man. After I come for you, just bail out mommy, you know.
Him the what? Me soon come. Marcus, you not leave?
Nah, man, I'm there, so mommy, man.
Alright, if anything you don't, you just go and give me a call.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna deal with them idiot.
Why? Things not changed though. After all these years, you still have to run on the Marga boy, call it.
Whatever, look who I call you Marga, who you too?
John, I'm a boss. Create Benzly Hype.
Good.
How you do them place, sir?
Yo, you know, say, idiot police boy come lock me up me and wanted, man. Tell us that. When him worry still in the car, when Alveranga hold him, you know. Wait till she come. Watch. Wow, man, where them have been here for?
Big woman thing, you know, there's a local jar herb them lock me up for. And then them a claim say weed legalized now. So them for lock me up for that.
Yeah, no star, for real. So now where?
I'm a bail for $5,000.
5 grand.
Then that is one give me a phone call star.
Yeah,
And Babylon board take man for full.
I understand that. One split, 5 grand. Nah man, something wrong this man, not sound right man. Something wrong this.
Big man thing. I'm more than one charge me have. I'm not this more humble. Let me alone when me drop a road. I pay you back. I don't know. See?
Alright, me DJ. You should pay him back, you know.
Hear the new song, man. Me have to get hot. Come want to live back my lifestyle. Do things bet them chat. Come want to live back my lifestyle. So when they see me in the street, remember me just care about my business. I mean, no sit down now, watch now, chat. People business. Me teeth white like a piece of chalk. Forget a new girl, you know me not fit talk. Me just get a new girl from New York. And her body round like a hourglass.
Hey, me used to go a robber lock and thief out the Cadillac and end up a moon. When my cousin have it, like you, the girl used to fat, we used to sit and have a chat in a Ray-Ban, shades, pleat, pants, watch. Macamilli, how we run this city, we jump macadam until the bitch act silly. For them, I buy out the business with them money and claim to them my stars. Now, really? Really?
But I'm balling from the night back to the morning.
God.
I hear the pretty girls calling.
Gosh.
When them see the two fall for driving, me have tweet, look who tweet and Twitter and tweet them for feed people, look who is we. Hey! We have to get hot.
Yo, you're mad in a DJ. Me I tell you, say
Yeah,
you're
man.
mad. You have to come a road. What me say?
Yeah, mean, man.
You have to come a road. Me tell you, say.
Road, me say out a road, you know.
Star, you know. No star, you know.
I mean,
Yeah, man, a real thing, man.
out a road, me say right now, nah, they have to for too long, neither.
Willie Bunksy, Dancehall can't start. Hey, we up, stay up. Hey, we up, high voltage. Yo, adjunct.
Yo!
Lads up, you're fine, yo.
You look like your mother drop you on your damn head one time too often, you know. How you feel in a station with headset in your ears, boy? And criminal around there, so?
No, but...
What to you?
Hold on,
Me don't want to hear it. Explain to me why you lock up Hemsley Morris. Go take him out. No! Mister, go take him out. No! Don't butt me nothing, man. Go on.
Alveranga, so glad to see you. Yo, just to come fool ya. I mean, officer.
No, you don't need to correct yourself. Fool.
Both say me I want it, man. The man all lock up tank up your jaw. We.
Hey, Junior, fight your own battles. Our 4 pound of weed we take off a Tonto when we arrest him. Yeah. And Bates, me and you.
You know, sir, I be the DJ still, you know. I be him still, because I'm a real star. You know, star is nice guy, now the day sky, real star, I tell you.
Alright, anything you say here?
I be him, and all the things them.
And all the car key in it.
Babe. Be over there. Yeah.
Alright, up to you.
Mommy, this I get serious, you know. I want to go on better, man. I'm not lie. Suppose I never Alveranga. Eh? What happen? I get joke. I'm not lie, yo. Plus, you know, see that police boy, they are born fool.
I know we're alright, man. Alveranga my girl. But you're right. This really I get out on. You know, some day in the cellar, me I think. But I sell that place there, you know. Move as far as possible from that man there. You know, that's when I have no tanglings with him.
You know, that sounds like a good idea still. But remember, say, know your business place there. Plus, him have restraining order against you. Yo, you know, I think I get out on money gone too far now.
You're right, son. But I have to take a stance. I have to be the grown-up one here. You go sell the place and buy a new one. No big one, you know. You understand? Because sometimes I really feel lonely. And I'm me alone.
Mama, me nah move back in. Me say, me nah move back in the house, alright? I'm a big man. I'm on my own place. And listen, if me go back in the house, you not gonna show me no respect. And you not give me my privacy. You can't help yourself. I just saw it set up. You understand? Sure. Can't, but then, yo, I just want to know some studio there and I can come use the studio on that half of the house. You understand? I not go too far. And plus again, I get with it where they did 6 months rent already, so you know I came to come out of that already.
But all that, you know say if you stay at the apartment there, a problem. We not just move. Remember say, up there the man they come assault me, no man. Alright. I go buy, how about if I get 2 houses in a 1 yard? How that sound?
It not sound too bad. 2 houses for my own entrance. Yeah.
Yes!
You just watch me and that serpent. She regret the day she would mess with me. I'm gonna make her pay. She's gonna pay alright. I'm gonna...
Yo, boss, you hear that? Where the war going, man? Mr. Weddy, where you going so over, man? Eh? Them talk they sound like some prison book, you know? Are you an hype mother again? You two in love, man.
Oh no, I could never love that thing. Don't make me laugh. Oh, me love that creature, that mess of a woman. She makes my blood boil. Oh.
Jeez, you have it bad, man. No, man, this serious. Ready? Take my foolish advice. I want you to come so and move on, find a new girl. Yo, I see you see my baby mother them used to deal with me, you know. See when them used to deal with me, you know what I do? But just find the next girl and burn them. You want to see them run back at me? I run back at me, so no. Yeah, man. And that you need to do. Cause, you know, you say you do that, you need to look her. She come look you. You see me? Yeah, man. Whoop, swap, them come swam you. Right now, me I live like a king. Yeah, man. I be a laugh, them a laugh and ray. You want to see them? Not even a argument, not even a coast, not even a fight, not even nothing. Them a live cool and calm and me a live good. And that you do.
I don't want to have nothing to do with her. But you do have a point. I need someone in my life. That way, she won't bother me.
Alright, now you're talking and that me want to hear. I know say, you have 2 girls, you know, ready. Your type, you know the link.
I'm ready.
Alright, that's a word. Yeah, man, just a little thing, we drop. And I start to talk, but I'm alright. As we done, me and you go up there, start out the thing.
Alright.
Big up Almighty God, you know. Him send Benzly Hype, you know. Yeah, man. Dog, get a nyam supper. You know, star. I drive for them, man. God let me change all my clothes, star. Go on. Stand on my neck. Stand on my neck. Go on. What's in them there? Yeah, man, it's spectacular, my brother, man. It's spectacular, man. Do it, my people. Stand on my neck. Stand on my neck. Rich. Stand on my neck. Yeah, man. Do it.
Cock out your bumper, y'all know about to hide it. Stepping on the video like y'all done whine it. Cock out your bumper, y'all know about to hide it. Stepping on the video like y'all done whine it. Bumper, y'all know about to hide it. Stepping on the vibe, we will find it.
bones are for dogs.
Baby down below, heavy up at top. That's the kind of girl I wanna be loving non-stop. She don't have to be a beauty queen. Know the type of girl you see in a fashion magazine.
Yo, Mr. BBW, a big bumper that we thought the tight man big girl and with the weight round her back. Me have a LBW fi fit under that. Just twist it to the base, tick it like a clock. Afraid of the weight, girl, sit down and me lap and make it 34D. Them give me